Video. This is the Rope Masters videoKast, your source for the best in rope skipping instruction. Hosted by world champion Peter Nessler.
To build on a previous videoKast, we did 3-wheel, now we're going to be doing 4-wheel. We got Mike Fry back, and he's going to be teaching how to do the outside roll-around switch for the JV, and then how to do frogs inside of inside of 4-wheel. So just have a lot of fun with it. These things take a lot of work. You'll see us, we go through them pretty quickly. If you can't get them right away, don't worry about it. Just work at them, have your group just practice, practice, practice. 4-wheel just takes a lot of teamwork, and it's something that a lot of people get a little frustrated on if they haven't done it before, but just work real hard and you should be able to get it eventually.
The JV skill.
Our JV skill for today is a 4-wheel trick called the outside roll-around switch. Now we're going to show you 2 of these, and we're going to show 2 different versions. The first one will take a jump, or a few jumps in between, and then give another ready, set, go signal, and then go back out. And then if we just move through the 2 switches without any jumps, that's called an outside roll-around switch. So we'll first show you just the basic outside switch. We'll show you 2 of them. And for this, we've got 2 ropes in front. We have a rope that me and Peter share and that Peter and Nick share. And in this position, we can just walk through it. So the first switch is me and Peter switching places. Peter goes to his left, I go to my right. And Nick and Kelsey switch. Nick comes in to his left, Kelsey moves out to her right. Now, me and Nick are both jumping in the center. That's the first switch. We take a couple jumps here now if we want, and bring the ropes over, and we just switch places one more time. You'll notice that the first time we moved, Peter moved in front of me, and I was in back. The second time, I moved in front of Peter, and the same thing happened with Nick and Kelsey. So what we'll do now, we're going to jump through it. We'll do the first switch, take a few jumps, give a ready, set, go signal, and then move back. So ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. There's our first switch. And ready, set, go. And our second switch. So you'll notice again that turning of the ropes is huge for this. Anytime you're turning a rope, at least one of the ropes you're turning, somebody else has to jump. So you need to make sure that you're getting your arms down and that you're turning really big. And we also stalled a little bit as we did our first switch. Now what you can do if you string those 2 switches together is what's called an outside roll-around switch. So this time we're going to move through. We go through without even jumping the ropes, or we'll go like that. And it's a lot quicker. You've got to move faster. The ropes might have to go a little bit slower, and we'll show you what that looks like. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. And that's the outside roll-around switch. You will notice that we did jump the rope in the middle one time, but as soon as we jumped it, we didn't stop there. We just kept moving and finished the roll-around all in 1 or 2 jumps.
Varsity skill.
For our varsity skill, we're going to be demonstrating frogs done in 4-wheel. So what's going to happen, we're going to start jumping. We'll give a signal, ready, set, go. There will be a jump, and then Kelsey will do a frog on the next turn of the rope, and she'll do her frog. She'll be having both hands on the ground. Then on the very next turn of the rope, she's going to be whipping those ropes underneath Peter's feet as he goes into his frog, and then when he comes down, he's going to bring the ropes underneath. You'll notice there is going to be a lot of stalling because when they're in the frog, those ropes sort of can't move for that for that jump. So we'll show you what that looks like. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. And we keep jumping. You can do that skill just having one of the inside jumpers do it. You can also have outside jumpers doing it. We're just showing the inside. But you can have one jumper demonstrate it. We feel that it looks a little bit better with 2. It just has a little bit of a better balance to it. So that is what 2 frogs inside a 4-wheel looks like.
For more information, check out www.jumprm.com.